begin, remove any debris from behind the washer. Next, undo the screws from the panel. You'll notice I do not remove the bottom screw. You can leave that in and it'll hold the panel when you go to put it back on. You do have to loosen it up the first time you take the panel off. Now remove the broken belt. I like to check the motor and make sure it's spinning well. And check the pulley to make sure there's no debris left from the belt. And that also runs well. Next, place the belt on the big pulley, then attach it to the motor. Make sure the grooves are aligned. With your hand, be careful not to pinch yourself. You're going to start to turn the pulley. You'll notice the motor starts to rise up. The belt will snap into place and everything should run smooth. Now go ahead, place that panel back into that bottom screw. As you can see, it's a little tricky. Now make sure all the holes line up. And that's it. It's very simple.